What's happening, Ninja Maniacs? I asked my good friend Brian Clark, and a lot of you know who he is because he's been with me on multiple videos over the last 5 years. I asked him to jump on. I wanted to interview him because I've been getting feedback from agents that are using his new pilot program, Top Agents Near Me. And one of the biggest things that I'm hearing is their phones are ringing with absolutely qualified sellers and buyers. So I wanted to know what Brian was doing to make this happen. And then I wanted him to, first of all, talk a little bit about why he created this, who he created it for, and then how an agent can expect to get their phone ringing. And then ultimately, how can you get a convo with Brian? So Brian, welcome to the channel. Let's jump right in, talk about Top Agents Near Me, and then let's start with why you created this.
Absolutely. Yeah. So Top Agent Near Me, there was an ultimate need for it, right? At the end of the day, we've been helping agents for the last decade generate buyers and sellers, and we do it in a traditional format. We've done it in a traditional format where someone will go to a landing page, they'd fill out a form with their first name, their last name, their phone number, their email, some info about their property themselves, what they're looking to buy, and then that lead goes to the agent. Well, what we've seen is with that traditional format where agents consistently get names, numbers, emails, there's not always a consistent follow up that's in place. And even if you have that consistent follow up, there's still opportunities to miss text backs and things along those lines
Yeah.
and miss those leads, right? I mean, Kelly, how often have you been on listing appointments or presentations and you've actually missed phone calls from potential buyers or sellers that want to work with you?
Correct. This is
Now,
a
how
problem.
and
We have to
and
deal with it.
how many of those, Kelly, have you called back and they already spoke with another agent between the time that they called you and you called them back?
Well, in the last 20 years, I can tell you enough that it's frustrating as heck.
Absolutely. So what we're doing with Top Agent Near Me is we're solving two problems.
Okay.
Number one, we don't want to give a list or agents a list of names, phone numbers, and emails to go down and call. This is a program that actually provides direct inbound phone calls directly to your phone. And in the event that you miss that call, we have an AI that simply picks up the phone, qualifies the lead on your behalf, and then it can either live transfer the lead right back to you or it can book an appointment on
Ah.
your calendar
So we're not
so that, that
talking
way you can
bot
just go about
leads.
your day.
This isn't FISBOs, expires, old pre-foreclosures, or things like Z-Buyer leads where you provide the same lead to 15 different agents. These are actual people that are online searching and they are live, correct? That's what you're talking about.
That's correct. So
It's
so
amazing.
what we're doing is we're leveraging one of the little known Google advertising placements. And out of the gate, we're leveraging local service ads where starting on the 20th of this month, agents actually get a badge that says Google verified. It's
Yeah.
been Google screened for the last couple of years. This is now a Google verified badge. And the way that this works is when somebody searches for a real estate agent in Claremont, Florida, Kelly has the opportunity to populate right at the very top of Google when someone is searching for an agent. And then they can simply give him a call. And if Kelly's busy and he doesn't answer the phone, it's simply going to pick up for him, qualify the
So,
lead, and either book or transfer.
so Brian, why are those leads? And let me ask a question. Why are those leads better than, let's say, me picking up and calling 500 homeowners in a neighborhood? Why are those leads, not that it's wrong to cold call a neighborhood, but why are those leads something that me as an agent would really want to focus my time and energy and effort on?
Absolutely. Well, I mean, if you're going out and you're targeting a specific neighborhood that you want to reach out to,
Yeah.
that's fantastic. And that's a great way to prospect for your
And we've taught
business.
that.
But it's going to take a lot of time, a
Yeah.
lot of effort, and a lot of energy. Every single one of those calls, you're going to have objections right out of the gate. That person is going to try to get you off the phone. You've interrupted their day.
Yeah.
Now, I want you to imagine something. When I worked at Zillow, we took in a lot of data. The average consumer that was on Zillow that was shopping for a home,
Hmm.
they would search for 90 days prior to looking for an agent on Zillow before going to that agent finder list and starting to search for an agent. What this means is that consumers do a lot of research before they decide to reach out to that agent. So what you have an opportunity to do is show up when someone says for real estate, when someone types in real estate agent near me, real estate agent in my city, top agent in Claremont, best agent, best real estate agent in Claremont. You have the opportunity for your smiling face to show up at the very top of Google where someone can actually go ahead and click on that ad and give you a direct phone call. These are individuals that see you right here at the top of Google after searching for real estate agent in Claremont, Florida. Kelly,
Mhm.
we just got you set up and you're going to be in here soon.
These are
But the
actually,
agent,
guys, these are top. Okay. These are truly top agents near me. I know both of these. They do a lot of business.
yep. And
And
the
they
way this
show up
works,
here all the dang time. When I search, and I search weekly on Google to see who's doing what, these guys rotate off and on all week long, right here at the top.
well, and as you guys can see, this is the very top of the Google search.
That's
So I
correct.
type in real estate agent near me, real estate agent in a city. The sponsored agents are the very first thing that show up. As we scroll down, then we see some ads for search ads, and then we see some local businesses. You have the opportunity to be the very first thing that someone sees when they go to Google in your
Yeah.
market and they search for a real estate agent. So, what makes this so darn powerful is that consumers today are more educated than ever, and they're taking the time to search sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, Homes.com, so that they can learn more about what their affordability is. More than likely, they've already talked to a lender and all of those good things. And now they're just going to go and search for that agent. They can actually open the door and get them into their dream home.
So
And if you get
let's
your feet right here, you have the opportunity to be that phone call.
let's go ahead now and move to my second question, because this, Brian, I think, and if you're watching this on YouTube, this is critical. You need to listen to this next part. You and I talked about this off camera. We want to help every agent out there. You and I have a heart. We want every agent out there to win. Not every agent is going to. That's just a fact.
Yeah.
Who did you build this program for? If you were to be able to lay out a case for the type of agent that would actually prosper and succeed right now, like be ready to go, who did you build this for? What does that agent look like? Pay close
This is built
attention,
for
guys.
Absolutely. And thanks for bringing this up. So, this is built for top agents in each local marketplace. We only want to work with one client per market
Yeah.
and help them expand and continue to dominate the markets that they are in. And so, we're looking to work with top agents, folks that are doing anywhere from 20 or more transactions every single year. We also want to see individuals who have a good number of reviews with their Google My Business or have the opportunity to get those reviews quickly from past clients that you have worked with, because this not only is a way for you just to get inbound calls, it's also a really big branding play
Yeah.
for you to show up at the very top of Google when somebody searches for a real estate agent in your market. Those reviews, all the things that go into your profile, all go into account as to whether or not somebody chooses to call you or not. So we want to work with the right agent that's going to get the calls, and we're going to help folks get there.
So if you're listening right now and this is interesting to you, I know Brian and I were talking about this. Brian, do you want to go ahead and bring up the website and then show them where they can book a call with you?
Yeah, so topagentnearme.com is our website. I'll go ahead and share my screen. So from topagentnearme.com, if you just want to click on Claim Your Markets Now, you can go ahead and you can book an appointment with someone from our team. We also have a really awesome button here at the very top on the first page. Call your new AI assistant, see how it works in action. Feel free to go ahead and click this button. Do it from your cell phone because it will just call directly to our number. Feel free and call that, and you can chat with an AI assistant so you can see it live, and you can see exactly how it works in action.
I love it. All right, Brian, as always, man, you always bring the smoke. So here's what we're going to say. Guys, there are a lot of programs out there. There's Zillow leads you can get 40% commission, by the way. Realtor.com, Homes.com. You can sit in open houses. You can door knock. You can cold call. You can direct mail. And you guys know I love direct mail. You can go to your broker's office, sit in the office to wait for walk-in leads, right? There are a ton of ways, like the old adage, 1,000 ways to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll lollipop. What we've done is we wanted to say, look, all of those are good ways. You can prosper in all of those, but how would you like to streamline? How would you like to literally have something done for you where people are going to be contacting you on your phone, and if you can't answer it, have a killer AI assistant that is completely programmed with your values, with your offers, with you in mind, literally to handle those calls, with the goal at the end of the day to get you a booked appointment, whether you take the call or your assistant. Brian, I believe what you're saying is your program will do all of that, correct?
That's correct.
So guys, go to topagentsnearme.com. We're going to put a link in the description. Brian, I'll go ahead and pin a link in the comment section. Go ahead and book a call with Brian or his team and check out this amazing program. If you are already an agent that's on fire, you're crushing it, but you want a 10x, you want to add an extra 5, 10, 15 deals a quarter or a month, check out what they're doing, guys. They will get you set up proper. And if you're currently using Google Screen, if you're already using it, but you haven't automated it, you got to get with these guys. Let their bot and their AI concierge servant start working for you. Think about it this way. It's the least paid but most powerful unpaid assistant you will ever have. Look, I've used it. I have been testing it. Brian, every time I call it for the test, I'm blown away. So go ahead and look in the description, get on his calendar, and find out how their bot and their Google Screen Management, setting it up, helping you get it all set up, will absolutely help you guys crush your business moving into 2026. Brian, thank you. You always bring good stuff here, brother. Over the next couple months, because we're going to be running them on my end, we're going to go ahead and do some videos and share with you how this is working. But we've already got, Brian, from what I'm hearing, agents responding. Like some of them are like, turn this thing off so I can get the leads that I've generated settled and satisfied, right? How about that for a problem to have, Brian?
No,
all right, guys.
It's been a great problem.
That's it. Go ahead, look in description, jump on, go Top Agents Near Me, check it out, check out the AI robot, and ultimately get on Brian's team's calendar and check out how this can change your business in the next 12 months. That's it. That's what we've got for you today. And as always, go out and get you some closings, guys.